Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I am going to show you how to quickly reorder items from your recent orders on Amazon. This is a great way to save time when you need to reorder frequently purchased items. So now let's first open your web browser or the Amazon application and log into your Amazon account using your username and password. So once you're logged in, hover over or tap on the Accounts and List menu at the top of the page. And from the drop down, select your orders. This will take you to your recent orders page where you can see all your past purchases. On the recent orders page, scroll through your orders and find the item you want to reorder. You can also use the search bar to quickly locate a specific item. Next to the item you want to reorder, you will see a button labeled Buy It Again or Order Again. Click on that button and this will add the item to your cart with the same options and quantity as your previous order. So after adding the item to your cart, proceed to check out as usual. Review your order details to ensure everything is correct and then complete your purchase. And that's how you reorder items from the Amazon Recent Orders page. It's a simple and efficient way to quickly reorder products you regularly purchase. Now, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.